Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at RouterCAM's feature for pocketing. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the plugin here. So now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on RouterCAM's features. Previously looked at milling, overview. Now we're going to look at pocketing, and like I mentioned before, all these things will go into more depth on its individual settings. So yeah, for pocketing, under the toolpaths here we have two different options we can choose from. So we've got the pocket milling and pocket engraving. Now the great thing about pocketing is you can actually cut out shapes on the inside. So if you want to sink it in, or if it's the material's thin enough, you can cut right through and then have cutouts of it, you can say. But yeah, the sinking is nice because you can actually put depth into it without cutting right through. So now yeah, so for instance, if we have this circle here, we can always select the inside and then let's grab pocket milling, and then as you can see here, we can mill out this inside. So obviously with more complex shapes you can do other things as well. And then yeah, the great thing about this plugin is also yeah, it to keep in mind, I mean, not great thing, but it works with closed curves, so keep that in mind. So open curves obviously it cannot mill out. Then you can also combine multiple objects, yeah, and then yeah, I mean, if you used to CNC machines, you already have already an idea of what this does. So yeah, this is not so much a tutorial on how CNCing works, but rather just what is located within the plugin. So we can go into way more depth on how each one of these things will be used, but there's many series we already made for other programs which cover a lot of these things. But yeah, for now, that is a quick overview on pocketing. So once again, just to simplify it, so I went a bit off the topic there, and that is that we'll basically pocket out areas within your design that's got closed curves. So it works with both shapes and text, which is very convenient. But yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.